Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do an AI literature review or how to write something using Yomu AI. Now, Yomu AI is an AI that will help you with any type of writing, whether it be thesis or if you're writing papers. You can use Yomu AI to help you write it or get ideas for writing it. It's pretty simple to use, but it is a paid tool. So what you're going to do is head over to Yomu AI, and over here you can make your account by hitting sign up, or if you already have one, you can log into it. I'm already logged in on another tab, so I'll just head over there. Once you're logged in, you're going to be greeted by a pretty simple page. If you have any documents that you've created, you can view those over here. Or if you don't have any, you can just go ahead and create a new document. Over here, it's going to ask you the topic of what you're going to be writing this about. And then it will give you two options to either create the outlines for this topic or to create the ideas. But if you don't want it to do any of that, you can go ahead and start it with an empty document too, where you'll be doing most of the writing. I'm going to be writing about the development and potential of 5G technology. So you're just going to copy paste or type your topic in here. And then you're going to select whether you wanted to create an outline or ideas. I wanted to create ideas, so I'll just click that. After that, get started and wait for it to create your document. Once that's done, you'll have your brief generation. You can scroll and see it over here. So it's going to give us the introduction and then some other details I can add in. Let's say the advancements, applications of 5G technology, challenges and limitations, global adoption and implementation, or conclusion. So it's just going to give you a basic structure on how or what you're going to write inside your document or your paper, whichever one you're writing. You can use the AI by hitting this document AI button, and it's just going to give you some options that you can use. If, for example, if you wanted to write the introduction or conclusion, you can just click this and it's going to do that for you. Just wait for it to generate. I like the generation that it made, so I'm not going to change it. But if you do not like what it created, it's going to give you about 3 suggestions that you can choose from. So just hit next suggestion if you don't like the current one. Or if you don't like any at all, you can just hit discard and create it all over again. I'm going to keep this one. And then you have the introduction that it created in your outline. You can cut that out since I already generated my introduction. If you want to use the AI, you can right click on the paragraph. So you're going to select the paragraph. And then I'm going to use AI to add citations into your paragraphs. You're going to select the whole paragraph. And then it's going to give you this little doc that you can use to access AI features. You're going to hit use AI and then scroll down till you find the cite area. And this is going to create citations in whatever style that you chose. So I'll hit cite. And now it gave me some options that I can implement. Let's say a review on 5G technology. I like this one. So I'm just going to add this into the paragraph. And let's say I want to add another one. I can just add that too. And if you want to view these citations, you're just going to click on it and then click on the link to see it for yourself. And it's just going to take you to the website or document where it's from. And over here, I have my review on 5G technology. This is going to be cited in your writing. After that is your other features. For example, you have generated these little outlines or these bullet points to help you write this at the start. If you want to expand onto these, you're just going to select it, use AI, and then you're going to use the brainstorm features to turn these bullets into a paragraph of sorts and wait for it to write. And after it's done, you can view it over here. And it just changed our little bullet point into a big paragraph that we can use to add into our paper. If you want to expand this further, you're going to click it again, use AI, and then hit expand, or you can use summarize if you want to shorten it too. There's also other features, for example, writing in depth or writing supporting arguments, or you can ask it to write opposing arguments to your already written paragraph. I'll ask it to write some supporting arguments and let's see what it generates. Now that it's done, we can see that it added some arguments into our paragraph to support our bullet point or to support the text. You can change this up if you don't like the current suggestion. As usual, you will have three and you can choose between those, or if you don't like any, you can again discard it completely. You can also use the AI to paraphrase your entire text. So you're just going to select the whole paragraph and then hit use AI to paraphrase it. And this is going to change it up using AI. You can look through the three suggestions created and choose your favorite one out of these. Otherwise, if you want to change your citation style, you can go over to your settings and then choose between these three styles provided. Or you can also change your preferred GPT version from GPT 3.5 to GPT 4. You can also turn on autocomplete to let AI help you write faster. For example, if you're in the middle of typing out, it's just going to give you AI suggestions that you can use to finish your entire paragraph up. If you want to export it, you can share a link to this. You can save it. You can change the style using a text, or if you want to export it as a Microsoft Word file, you're just going to hit msword.docs and then it's just going to download onto your computer and you can view that over here. Since this is a paid software and you want to try it out, I can offer you a discount. Just check the description of this video for more details. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.